This is the largest deployment of LIBIAO Robotics mini sorting robots in the world. And it's live. 430 robots, operating in seamless synchronization. 3,840 destinations. More than 500,000 units processed daily. From one facility, what was once a bottleneck, now moves at the speed of demand. In just 35 days, an entire operation transformed into an intelligent, high-speed fulfillment engine. Just 1 week later, full operational capacity achieved. 99.9% accuracy, 99.9% uptime. Performance exceeded expectations. Not in theory, in reality. But this isn't just about speed. It's about adaptability, resilience, scale. Because the future of logistics isn't about replacing systems. It's about connecting them intelligently, working seamlessly alongside advanced automation systems. LIBIAO Robotics unlocks a new level of fulfillment performance, built for relentless e-commerce demand, late-night cutoffs, peak season pressure, and non-stop movement. No massive reconstruction, no disruption, just intelligent robotics, moving with purpose. The future of logistics isn't coming. It's already moving. LIBIAO Robotics, powering the movement behind modern fulfillment.